Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cover art just like this one and this one. Also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot. And if you enjoy the video, please leave a like, and yeah, let's get into it. So to start off, choose the pencil tool on the left side and choose a black colour. And the size of the pencil has to be quite small, just like this. And now just fill the canvas with lines. And it sounds a bit weird, but trust me, it's going to look great at the end. Once you have it filled in like this, choose a white colour and give it a bigger brush and do a few lines like this. But don't do too many because it's going to look bad. Once you have this ready, go in the top left corner, press filter, and in filter you want to press liquify. Once you press it, it's going to open this window and you want to select the forward warp to, and it's going to be automatically selected, so don't worry about it. And go from right to left, moving the lines about. So first off, just move them like this. And now the lines that you've already moved, move them back to the right. This part you don't really have to follow what I'm doing exactly, just go for a pattern that you think looks good or a pattern that you're happy to work with. Once you're happy with what you got, press OK on the bottom corner. Now select the rectangular mark tool and choose right here in the middle the parts that you like the most. Select the background or whatever layer you've done it on and press Ctrl J to make a copy of it. Get rid of the other copy and delete it if you want. Now you can choose the color of the background. I'm going to go for white color. The best colors are white and black in my opinion. Put it under the layer 1 and it's going to look something like this. Make sure to place it in the middle. Select layer 1, press Ctrl J again and make a copy of that layer. Go on the first layer, go down here on the right corner, select blending options, and it's going to open this window. On channels, click on R and press OK. Now select the copy you've made and do the same thing. Go into blending options and this time on channels select green and blue and press OK. On the top left corner, click on where it says edit and go down here on the bottom where it says transform. In transform you want to click on distort. In this part you do whatever you want, just move the layer around like you want it to look like. And once you're happy with what you got, press enter on your keyboard. I think I'm happy with this and I'm going to press enter and there we go. Now select layer 1 and the copy and right click and click on merge layers. It's going to make it into one layer. Now select the rectangular tool again and do the same thing as before and select whatever you're comfortable with. Press Ctrl J again and you've made a copy. Delete the other layer and this is what I've got for now. On the bottom right corner, click on this button and select saturation. Here you're going to go for the color that you like the most. I'm going to go for a darker shade of this color, orange and light blue. Once you've got the color you want, go back to layers and select the image of the artist you want to make the cover of. With the pen tool you have to crop him out. Once I've done that I'm going to be right with you. Once you've cropped him out, get rid of the original picture by deleting it and place the current one right in the middle of the canvas. Now once you've placed the artist in the middle of the picture, go on the top left corner and select filter and click on camera raw filter. This is going to open this page and what you want to do is turn the saturation all the way down. Go on exposure and turn it down a bit. Go on exposure and turn it up a bit. Contrast, you want to turn it up a bit as well. And clarity, turn it up a bit as well. Press OK once you've done. Now once you've got your artist and the background ready, just press T on your keyboard and this is going to change your cursor so you can write on the canvas. Now write the name of your album or song or the name of the artist, and that's what I'm going to do now. select it and change the color to a darker color. Press Ctrl T to transform it and place it right in the middle. Make it as big as you want. Now select the layer where the image of the artist is. Go down here on the right corner and select gradient. Go for this one, the last one. Press OK, OK, and create a clipping mask by pressing right click and create a clipping mask here. Double click on the gradient icon, go into gradient and choose the colors. So go for the same colors as the background so it looks matching. Go for orange and this blue. Place it like this for example and press OK. Change the angle, choose the colors that look the best for you and go into blending options and choose the blending option that you like the most. I'm going to choose Vivid Light because it's my favorite one. And yeah, this is the cover. There's nothing more to it, it's quite easy to do. It didn't even take 10 minutes to finish it. So if you like the video, please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot. This channel is new, so if you can show me some support, I'll really appreciate it. I'm going to start uploading videos consistently every week, so don't miss that. And yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching.